What's up guys, hope you are doing good. Felix the creator here, and in this short tutorial I will show you how you can add a whoosh sound effect transition in Adobe Premiere Pro in the best way. And we have a freebie alert in this one, so make sure to download your 5 free cinematic whoosh sound effects in the description below. Okay, let's dive into the timeline. You can find this stylish zoom transition here in the timeline, and we want to add a cool whoosh sound effect. If you want to learn and recreate this kind of zoom transition, head over to my detailed tutorial, link in the description below. Okay, after your download you will find 5 cinematic whoosh sound effects in your folder. I've imported these WAV files here in the project window and I will give you a short pre-listening. Okay, and then the first step, you have to check out which one fits best to your transition. So you have to try the different variations. So check out the length and the style and play back the sounds. Yeah, sounds nice. Okay, this one is too long. Yeah, that looks good, but I think this one here, the first one, yeah, I think this one fits really good. So you can bring the cursor here, yeah, to the start of the transition, zoom a bit in by dragging this line here. Yeah, so make sure to add some whooshes or swishes or transition sound effects to your edits to step up your whole video editing game. The longer I'm creating videos, the more I've noticed the power of sound design and how to push your final cut to the next level. And if you want to learn more about sound design, check out my detailed tutorial. Hear you soon, Felix the Creator.